Hi everybody, welcome to another video. Today I am going to show you how you change steering rack bolt with simple way. Okay, let's go starting with work. We go open here and we go open here, but you for example I must looking, you see it everything or no? Yeah. Or you can hear rose make, you need it hammer. Top up 2 or 3 times, not too hard, little bit. And then can coming same. If you're doing this job in home, I now show you very simple way. How we take it is the steering boat. Nada. It is you don't see good to take a key, so and here also one have, okay, just look at those. Now is important area. You don't need it open. If you open here, of here, mascar going to outline of road balance. We tell if whatever you say, but we don't going to doing this job. I will take it, the old one, like this. And this one also, voila. And voila. See it? And this also you need also screw like this. Oh, it's coming. Wow. Okay, and now I'm gonna clean all area like this. Everything is clean and a little bit grease. Oh, this is grease. I push something like this. See it? And inside here, see it? Yeah. Not too much. Hop. Hop. Okay. Little bit more. I think new one. Look, yeah, look, like this, and like this, and like this, you see it? You don't need anything, finish, voila. Okay, let's go. I go a little bit grease inside the boat also doing. Voilà. Good. Be careful outside the vault. Don't make too much grease. Okay, voilà. It's okay, I show you after. And here also. Voilà. Little bit clean. If some grease have, little bit cleaning, and you can turn like this, like this. If it's grease have, try to clean. Okay. Alright. Voilà, guys. You can looking. Voilà. Like this. That's it. And you can with something like this do, but if you don't have, you can do it with normal plastic. I'll show you one, but what is this? I'm gonna directly show you, and you can see something like this. Okay. You can just open like this. It's for here. This for here. And this for back side. Okay. Hop. You got these clips with two. This correct tool. You see like this, and you can do this with this also done. Everybody in home don't have this, of course. You can do it with this. I'm going to do one for this and with one for this. But this is very nice work. Don't worry. Okay. Voila. Don't too much fast. Be careful. Be careful. Up. And you can like this checking if it's good. Voila. That's good. You can do. I'm looking. Is good? Is good? Is good? Yes, sir. In another area, I am going to try with this. Voila. See? And more little bit, I can also fast make man. I don't want too much. Voila. Ça va? That is, and in something like this have little bit long. Oh, I want to see. You see this with small like this one hammer. Okay. Voila. And it's another area also we touch, not too much fast. Voila, it's good. Yeah. Exactly. Okay. If you also have problem with your steering house or boat, you can like this change, and simple, and you don't need too much equipment. Okay, and thank you for watching. See you